So in this affiliate marketing for beginners video, I'm going to share with you step by step how you can get started with affiliate marketing this year in the simplest way possible. Now, if you understand this particular strategy that I'm going to share with you, you can pretty much sell any and everything online because it follows along the same kind of strategy. So what I want to share with you again in this video are the tools that you'll need in order to make this work. And then again, I'm going to share with you step by step how to set everything up. Now, make sure you watch until the end of the video because I'm going to let you know how to actually get this exact training broken down even further step by step so that way you can set it up. But then also I'm going to show you a list of high converting products that you can actually use for this funnel. And then also I'm going to share with you the exact traffic source that I am using that has helped me to generate leads and sales with this particular strategy that I'm going to share with you in this video. And then also you're going to get access to my free Facebook group. I just opened up a new Facebook group and you can get access to that group where you can also find that training as well. So make sure you stay into the end of the video so you can get access to all that information. So let's dive into the content. And again, let me first start off letting you know what you need, what tools you need in order to make all this work. Now, the tools that you will need in order to make this work is one, you need an offer or a product to sell. You also need an email autoresponder, and you also will need a landing page software and traffic. And if you don't know what some of these terms mean, that's fine. Just watch the video and I kind of discuss them a little bit further and you'll see why you'll need these tools in place. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find a product to sell. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to clickbank.com. Now the reason why in this video I'm choosing clickbank.com is because you can come over here, you can find any product that you can promote and it's free to join. And once you join, you can promote any product without having to wait to be approved or anything like that. With other JV networks or affiliate networks, you do have to run into the case where you have to get approved before you can promote the product, and I want to make this as seamless as possible. So that's the reason why we're choosing ClickBank. Another alternative that you can use aside from ClickBank is digistore24.com. Now, once we're on ClickBank, the first thing we need to do is we need to find a product to sell. So if you have followed this channel, you know that I am in the make money online internet marketing niche. So that's what we're going to stick to in this video. So once we're over here on ClickBank, if you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see all these different categories that are listed in red. These are the different categories in which you can actually find products to promote. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose the e-business and e-marketing niche. And as we choose that, we can see that everything, all the products are sorted by rank. So you can see some of the top products that have like the highest gravity right now. And for this particular video, or for this example, we want to find products that have at least over 50 gravity and above. And as you can see on every product on this list, you can see where they have the actual gravity listed here. So this one has 206, this one has 205, and so on. So these are some of the products that you want to choose. So for this example, let's go ahead and choose this product right here, which is Click Wealth System. And all we need to do is one, you can click on this button right here on the affiliate page. And it will bring you here, and this is where you're going to get all the details you need to know as an affiliate in order for you to promote this product. And typically you're going to find this on most products because they want to make sure that you're set up for success, because the more sales that you get, the more sales that they get in return. So they're going to give you everything that you need in order to promote this product. So once you have checked out that affiliate page, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on promote. Now, once you have done that, all you will need to do is click on this button right here where it says generate hop links. So they're going to give you an affiliate link, and anytime somebody clicks on that link and they decide to make a purchase, you will receive a commission, and it will actually reflect in your back office when you log into ClickBank. So that's all you need to do. You need to first find a product and grab your affiliate link. So make sure you stay until the end of the video because I'm going to give you access to a free training that's going to show you how to set all this up step by step, but then also a list of products that you can already use, and again, the exact traffic source that I'm using for this funnel. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching until the end. Now, the next thing that you need to do is you need to have a funnel in place, meaning that with this particular strategy, what we want to do is we want to build up an email list. Now, the reason why we want to do this is because most people do not purchase something the first time they see it. the numbers are, the last that I checked, were about 2% of people actually purchase something the first time they see it. So the other 98 people out there that probably came across your link are not going to buy something, and you're just leaving a lot of money on the table because you don't have something in place where you can actually follow up with those other 98 people so that, you know, they can have the opportunity to purchase whatever it is that you're promoting. So with email marketing, what we're going to do is we're going to build up an email list, and what we're going to do is we're going to send up follow-up emails that are going to send people back to the product that we are promoting so they can get more exposure to that product, because sometimes life just gets in the way. Sometimes maybe they were driving their car, maybe they were at work, and they just didn't have the opportunity to watch the entire video or whatever it is that you're promoting. So this is what we want to do. We want to make sure that we have something where we can follow up with people, so that way we can start to earn money on the back end, as they call it, and from, you know, days and weeks down the road as well. So right now we're looking at Lead Pages, and Lead Pages is the landing page software that I actually use. And you can choose any of these particular templates in order to build up your page. But for this example, I'm going to choose a blank template. And the reason why we want to do this is because we want to make sure that our opt-in page is congruent to the offer that we are promoting. So since we're doing the Click Wealth system, I'll put that here. We'll click Continue. Now I have a blank page that I can go ahead and start with. So if we were to come back over here to ClickBank, and since we're promoting the Click Wealth system, if I go ahead and click on this, I get an opportunity to see what the sales page is going to look like. So whenever people are actually coming to this offer to see what I'm promoting, this is the page that they're going to see. So right here we have give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to generate your first paycheck online. So you have that option here, and then also a little pop-up comes up saying that you could be passing your first $579 day online profits to someone else. So with this particular terminology, this is what we kind of want to use on our opt-in page. So what I can do is I can come back over here to Lead Pages, and I'm going to come over here to Widgets, and let me grab text and hover it over here. And I can say something like 100% free video reveals. We're going to make this all look pretty, but I'm just trying to set this up right now. Learn how to earn $579 a day working from home. Let's see if there's anything else that I can probably pull from that. Okay. We'll just keep it simple like this. Now, this is not the greatest copy in the world. Let's see. And quit your 9-to-5 job. This is not the greatest copy, guys. Okay, I'm just doing this for this example. But again, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the copy is congruent to the offer that you have selected on ClickBank. So let's make this look all cute. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to have an actual button here, so this way we can collect the email address. Okay, so we're going to do get instant access now. Okay, again, we want to make it all pretty, so let's make the button bigger. Let's make the text bigger as well. Let's make the button red. Okay, so now we have a simple opt-in page. In my experience, the uglier the opt-in pages, or basically the real simplest opt-in pages, actually generate me the most conversions. Okay, so we want as many people as possible to submit their email address here, so that way they can see the offer. So again, we don't want to try to oversell people on this particular page. the whole goal of the opt-in page, or one of the goals of the opt-in page, is to leave some type of curiosity there so that people will want to click on this link and submit their email address in order to see our offer for the Click Wealth system. Now, the next thing that you want to have in place are email swipes. Now, with the email swipes, and as you guys can see here, we're looking inside of my email autoresponder. Email swipes are basically the email follow-ups that are going to be sent to whoever submits their email address into our opt-in page, and they're going to get a series of emails automatically for the next 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, however many email follow-ups that we have, and they're going to see these emails every single day. That's going to redirect them to our offer for Click Wealth system. Okay, so what you want to make sure that you do is you create at least a 3 or a 5 day follow-up email follow-up series. And that's the reason why you want to make sure that you have an email autoresponder in order for you to do this, because if you try to do this manually, it will get really daunting, because if you send a lot of people to your email opt-in page that we have created here, and you try to manually email every person on your list, is going to be a really daunting task. So that's why this is one of the much needed tools that you will need inside of your business, is an email autoresponder. Now, the email autoresponder that I am using is called Aweber, and they do have a free trial that you can use, and I'll include all the information below this video in the description below, so that way you can get access to that. But you want to go ahead and get you an email autoresponder, and you want to make sure that you link it to your Lead Pages account. Now, once you have linked your Aweber to your Lead Pages account, the next thing that you want to do is you want to come back to your opt-in page here, and you want to click on it, and you want to choose Open a Pop-up. So right here, we just want to make this, again, want to make this a little congruent. Where can we send you your free video? I'm going to make this red. Now, once I have set up my pop-up, if I hover over here, you're going to see Edit Integrations. So once I click on that, it's going to open up this pop-up here. And what I want to do is I want to add an integration. So from here, you can see that I have my Aweber account that I can choose from here. Now, once I have chose Aweber, I want to choose the email list that I have created for this. So I'm going to choose this one right here. I want to click on Save. And I want to delete this one just because I'm going to be using my Aweber email list. And as you guys can see here, we're just going to be capturing the emails. And then here, I want to make sure that I send it to my ClickBank affiliate link. So again, we're going to grab this link here to promote Click Wealth system. And then we're going to choose external URL. We're going to put our affiliate link here. So when somebody submits their email address here and they click on submit, it's going to send them to this page here. You want to click Save and Close. And we're done. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you publish this. And now you have an email opt-in page that's going to be linking directly to your ClickBank offer. So whenever somebody clicks on this link here, it's going to bring them to this page here. And once they click on Get Instant Access Now, they have to submit their email address, and it's going to bring them directly to our offer for Click Wealth system. Now, the next thing that you need to do is you need to get traffic to your opt-in page that we have just created. This is going to be the crucial part in order for this to work. So you can come over here to a website called udemy.com. And again, every website that I'm talking about in this video, I will include in the description below. Now, for me, I have some vetted solo ad vendors that I actually use to run traffic to my funnels. But for you, if you're just trying to get started, this is a good website that you can come to. And what you want to make sure that you do is that you do not come over here and just try to find somebody who is the cheapest solo ad vendor. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you go through, you actually check out the testimonials, because people will actually leave their feedback of their particular solo ad run and everything else. You want to go through here and you want to find a good solo ad vendor to where you can actually submit your link to your opt-in page, and they can actually send your link to their email list, So that way you can start collecting emails. So that way you can start building up your email list. And then those people are going to get exposed to your email follow-up series. So that way you could potentially get sales. So that's what you want to do. That is the entire process, guys. You want to make sure that you want to find an offer. Go to ClickBank. You want to find an offer. The next thing you want to do is you want to create a simple funnel or an opt-in page. You then want to make sure that you have your email autoresponder in place, so that way those emails can start sending out to people as soon as they submit their email address. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you start sending traffic to your opt-in page as much as possible. So you can at most, you want to get at least 100 clicks per week in order to start building up your email list. And what you want to do is if you generate sales, you want to take that money and you want to reinvest into traffic, so that way you can start building up your email list. Now, this is going to be the consistent thing that you have to do. You have to buy traffic every single week. There are also free organic strategies that you can do in order to get leads to your opt-in page every single day. But at least if you go this strategy, you want to buy at least 100 clicks every single week to your offer. So in this video, I share with you how to get started with affiliate marketing, the tools that you will need, and a step-by-step strategy for you to go ahead and get started. Now, again, if you want the full breakdown of this particular training and you want to get it for free, including the products that you can also use as part of your funnel and the exact traffic source that I'm using, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead and click on that first link. It's going to take you to my free Facebook group, and inside of that Facebook group is where you can get access to that training. And again, you can get access to that training, and it's for free, and you can join my free Facebook group as well. So if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video.